Welcome back to Good Recipes. Today we're making a rich and a flavorful lamb stew, tender, comforting, and perfect for any meal. This dish takes about 2 hours to cook and it's worth every minute. Let's get started. And here's what you'll need. Now let's start cooking. First, heat some oil in a pan. Add the lamb pieces and brown them on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes to lock in the deep, rich flavor. Once browned, remove and set aside. In the same pot, add a bit more oil if needed, then saute your chopped onions and garlic for about 3 to 4 minutes until soft and fragrant. Now it's time for the spices. Add all your curry powders, paprika, and salt to taste. Stir everything together for about 1 minute to release the flavors. Next, return the lamb to the pot and mix well, coating it in the aromatic spices. Add chopped tomatoes and chopped chili pepper for a little kick. Stir and let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to come together. Keep adding about 1 cup of hot water at a time as it cooks, ensuring the lamb stays soft and tender and the stew develops a rich deep sauce. Let it simmer for an additional 1 hour 30 minutes or more, stirring occasionally. Finally, once your meat is tender and soft, add the carrots toward the end, letting them soften for about 10 minutes without overcooking them. And just like that, your hearty lamb stew is ready. Serve it hot with rice, pap, or dumpling. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to Good Recipes for more delicious meals.